Okay, students, this is three-phase converter fed DC drives. Slightly register this topic. This is three-phase converter fed DC drives. Three-phase carrying three lead, otherwise three wire. Okay, three portions, three wire, three lead. All those explanation consist of this word three-phase. Next, converted in the sense AC supply which is given to this three-phase circuit, three-phase SCR circuit. This SCR carrying that three-phase AC supply converted into DC. So the word converter explain AC to DC, proper DC. Okay. That conversion fed to DC drives, fed in the sense to inject. Okay, to inject across the DC motor which is called DC drive. So the heading explanation is three-phase converter for DC drives, three various LED consisting different kind of SCRs for operating purpose to achieve from AC to DC with a proper manner. This is called three-phase converter for DC drives. Okay. In this three-phase converter DC drive, circuit diagram consisting six SCRs. Three upper SCRs are called positive SCRs. Three lower SCRs called negative SCRs. Okay. Apart from this, each lead having two SCRs, one positive SCR, one negative SCR. Each lead or each phases having two SCRs, one positive SCR placed on upper of this circuit, one negative SCR placed on lower of the circuit. So totally 6 SCR, 3 SCRs for allocated to give a proper positive supply. 3 SCRs allocated of negative supply. Okay. The AC circuit are delta to star connected for giving the star input to the 6 SCR circuit. So now the circuit is very much confused to activate which switches on, which switches off. For that purpose, we make 6 switches into the switching sequences according to the manner. That switching sequences are 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 is first switching sequence. Then 2, 3, 4 are second switching sequence. 3, 4, 5 are third switching sequence. 4, 5, 6 fourth switching sequence. 5, 6, 1. Again, we have to continue 6 after 1. This is cyclic process of switching sequences. Okay, this switching sequences says at a time each lead activate one SCR. Each lead means each phase activate one SCR. Whether it is positive or negative, don't mind that. But each lead having to on at a time of that switching sequences. Okay, for example, first switching sequences are 1, 2, 3. One is positive SCR of first phase. 2 is negative. You just look at that black diagram. One is Q1 is positive SCR of first lead or first phase. 2 is negative SCR of third phase. Okay. Our switching sequence is 1, 2, 3. First SCR is positive in first phase. Second SCR in negative of third phase. Then third SCR. SCR number 3 is positive SCR that will be connected in second phase. Okay. So in our concept saying each SCR having contribute their presence across this black diagram to carry out the AC to DC. Okay, this switching sequences are cycling process. Automatically, the switching sequences can have to adopt their on position slowly down to off position with the help of gate pulses applied across that SCR switches gate. Okay, this is basic mannerism of this three-phase converter for DC motor drive. Again, we have to clear this graphical representation. So you just look at this graph on the PPT. We have six graphs. Okay, V is applied voltage across that three-phase fed DC motor drive block diagram. This V is initially we have to give three-phase AC supply to that block diagram. Representation letter is V. Then VD is output voltage. V is input voltage, AC voltage. VD is output DC voltage. Okay. Then IA is first phase current. IA denote IA or IQ denote first phase current. IB denote second phase current. IC or IL current current denote. Okay, this is representation what the function or outputs gave by the three phase DC motor drive. Okay, and this is three phase thyristor bridge waveform in inverter mode. Firing angle alpha equal to 150 degree applied across that SCR gate pulses. Okay, while you have to give 150-degree gate pulses applied, we can achieve like this graphs. Okay, perfect DC we can achieve from that explanation or operation. This is firing angle changes. So this graph mean by various firing angle applied across the speed of that motor and production of torque over here.